Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you these AOSP extended ROM. This is the 7.2 version, the latest version, and it's based on Android version 10. So let's begin. So as you guys can see here, the AOSP extended version is the 7.2, which is the latest one, and the security patch level is the 5th May. The build date here is the 15th May, and the kernel is the Eskrima Kamui, whatever that is. So let's talk about some features now. So guys, first of all, going to the system, you in the gestures you have the system navigation gesture, like the gesture navigation is available here and is working fine, but the first it stutters, sometimes it stutters, but after using it it will be fluid enough. Then as you guys can see here, this is the digital well-being available here because I have installed the OpenG here, and this is like one of the best ROM available for this Redmi Note 3. Going to the display options, all the display options are available, like the lock screen display, the ambient display, always on display is also working. Everything is working here. Then in the advanced settings, you get the ambient display options like the pickup, hand wave and pocket. Then you have the display cutout option, like the corner cutout, double cutout. It's funny. You have to double tap to wake and make unplug, all the options available. Then going to the battery life on this ROM is amazing, no problems for the battery life. Then going to these extensions, the AOSP extended ROM or customizations. Guys, in the extensions you get the battery settings, all the battery stuff, the battery icon style, the battery percentage. Then in the carrier label you get the customization, you can customize the name of your carrier. Then the clock settings, then you have the status bar items, whatever the icons you want on the status bar. Then you have this traffic indicator, you can then in the miscellaneous extension you get this AEX logo. When you enable it, you can see your AEX logo here. Then you have the status bar gestures, double tap on the status bar, that's it. Then going to the QS panel, in the notification you get the vibrate on connect and all the notification stuff. Then in the quick settings you get the vibrate on touch for like whenever you touch any of them, if you want to vibrate on vibration. Then you have the background blur, you can adjust the intensity from here. Then you have the animation style, like the flip, as you can see here, the flip, and the flashlight is also working. Okay, let's just keep it no animation. Then going to the navigation bar, you have all these options, enable on screen navigation bar. As you can see here, this is the pill available, and the back gestures are also working, and the hardware buttons are also working. This is great, right? But I would like to keep it off. Then going to lock screen customization, you have the lock screen shortcuts and the lock screen UI, like the fingerprint authentication, vibration. The vibration level is very low and the fingerprint sensor is working fine here. Then going to the system options, then this is the battery charging light options. You can customize it according to your needs. Then in this button you can customize the button, like the volume rocker, wave the volume rocker. So as you guys can see here, the backlight option, the backlight hardware button light means it sometimes work and sometimes it just don't work. Let me know in the comments that this is the problem with my phone only, or you are also having this same problem. Let me know in the comment section. Then you have the back button customization, like a single tap, double tap, home button and overview button customizations are available. Then in the general tweaks you have the charging animation and the 3 finger swipe for the screenshot, and the long screenshot is also available here. So guys, that's it for the features. Now going to the security options, you can see here the face unlock option is not available, and the fingerprint here is working fine, no problems for the fingerprint scanner. So now let's talk about the features, like the Wi-Fi is working fine, mobile data is also working, flashlight I showed you is working, dark theme, then you have this dark theme, this is also working fine. Then you have the screen record is also working fine, no problems for this. So guys, then talking about the YouTube is working fine, no problems with the YouTube. Then talking about the other features, you have these AEX wallpapers available here. and there are so many wallpapers for the EX ROM available here. You can download and apply it. Then talking about the camera here, this is the default camera. This is the Snapdragon camera available here and is working fine, no problems with this. Then talking about Google camera is also working fine. So guys, this is like the best ROM I have ever seen, like the Android 10 best ROM for this Redmi Note 3. Okay, this just hang. This is the problem with the Gcam for every ROM. I don't know what just happens, and this happens when you continuously use the Gcam. So guys, as you can see here, the Gcam is working fine, but if you use this constantly, then the device will get hanged and you will have to reboot it. This is the bug, this is the problem with each and every ROM. So okay, then talking about the PUBG performance, PUBG runs great on this ROM, no problems with the PUBG. So guys, that's it. Now talking about the bugs. Okay, so no bugs, right? I haven't faced any bug yet. Everything is working for me. At least everything is working. The only bug I faced is the Gcam bug and the hardware button bug. Like the hardware button light sometimes just don't work. Right now is working, it is working, but sometimes it just don't work, and the vibration level is very low on this ROM. And whenever you unlock it using the fingerprint, then also the vibration level is too low. But whenever there is an incoming call, at that time the vibration is okay, no problems with that. So guys, that's it, that's all. That is the bug. And you also have the call recorder available here. Call quality is great, no problems for the call, and everything is working. Guys, share this video to each and every Redmi Note 3 user and tell them that they can use Android 10 on their phone with least bugs. Like this is the ROM, Android 10 ROM for the Redmi Note 3 with least bugs present, and it is great to have this. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And please guys, share this video to every Redmi Note 3 user. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.